In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track inventory shipments in Airtable. We'll build a simple, reliable system to follow shipments from your suppliers all the way to your warehouse. Start by signing into Airtable and creating a new base. Choose Start from Scratch and name it Inventory Shipment Tracking, so everyone knows exactly what lives here. A clear base name makes it easier to find and share later. Next, set up your main table. Rename the first table to Shipments. This is where the action happens. Add fields that capture the details you'll need day to day. Create Shipment ID as a single line text so you can store your internal reference. Add supplier and product name as single line text to label who it's from and what's coming. Add quantity as a number so totals remain accurate. For status, use a single select called Shipment Status with 3 options: pending, in transit, and delivered. This keeps updates consistent. Add tracking number as text, carrier as a single select with FedEx, UPS, DHL, and other. Then add ship date and expected delivery date as date fields. Finally, include warehouse location as text so receiving teams know where to put it. If you manage stock levels, add an inventory table as well. Create a new table named Inventory with product name, SKU, current stock as a number, and warehouse location. This optional table is great for tying shipments to the products they affect. Now link the two together. In the Shipments table, add a new field and choose Link to another record. Point it to the inventory table, then select the matching product for each incoming shipment. This creates a clear relationship between what's arriving and the item in your catalog, which is helpful for reconciling stock. Quick note before we continue. I've placed a link to Airtable at the very top of the description, so you can get started right away. To visualize progress, add a Kanban view in the Shipments table and group by shipment status. You'll be able to drag a cart from pending to in transit to delivered as updates come in, and the status stays synchronized. For day-to-day monitoring, create a grid view filter to show only records where shipment status is in transit. This becomes your live list of incoming shipments, perfect for your supply chain or receiving teams. When you're ready to collaborate, use Share to invite teammates, or generate a view-only link. Set permissions to edit or read only, depending on who needs to update versus who just needs visibility. That's it. You now have a clear, structured Airtable base for tracking inventory shipments end to end. Thanks for watching.